good morning to you all children. Today we are going to do revision. Our half-yearly exams are nearby. Today we are going to do revision in social studies. First, Roman letter 1 is missing letters. Roman letter 1 is missing letters in new words. Okay. Number 1, F-M-I-Y. What's it? You find the answer? Yes, F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. Number 1, F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. Number 2, H-S-E. It's an animal. H-O-R-S-E, horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. And then number 3, K-I-T-H-N. What's that? It's a room in our house. What's it? We cook food there. What's it? Kitchen. Very good. K-I-T-C-H-E-N. Kitchen. What's the spelling for kitchen? K-I-T-C-H-E-N. Kitchen. Next. R-F. It's on the ceiling. What's it? Roof. Very good. R-O-O-F. Roof. Next. W-T-R. What is it? We drink it when we feel thirsty. What's it? Water. Very good. What's the spelling for water? W-A-T-E-R. Water. And then number 6. F-S-. You all like it? Yes. It lives in water. It has fins. What's it? Fish. Very good. F-I-S-H. Fish. And then number 7. S-A-B-L-. What's that number 7? Yes, horse lives there. What place is it? It's a stable. What's the spelling for stable? Yes, T-A-B-L-E, stable. And then number 8, C-O-. What's it? Hen lives there. What's it? Coop. Very good. C-O-O-P. Coop. And then number 9, B-R-O-O-M. What's it? We take rest and sleep. What room is it? It's a bedroom. What's the spelling for bed? B-E-D. Bedroom. And then number 10, S-A-E. What are the things we can share? We learn about sharing and caring, no? Yes. This is the spelling for share. What's the spelling for share? S-H-A-R-E. Share. Number 1, family. Number 2, horse. Number 3, kitchen. Number 4, roof. Number 5, water. Number 6, fish. Number 7, stable. Number 8, coop. Number 9, bedroom. Number 10, share. Now you understand it? Shall we pass on to the next one? Roman letter 2, circle the correct answers. Number 1, the things we eat are called. The things that we eat are called? What is it? The things that we eat are called? Food, clothes or food. Just the correct one? The things that we eat are called food. And then number 2, a cat or raincoat keeps us dry when it rains. When it rains, what shall we wear? We wear raincoat. And then we must never share our hanky or books with anyone. What we shouldn't share? We shouldn't share our hanky. When mummy says thank you, I say welcome or please. What you have to say? If anybody say thank you, you have to say welcome. And then a joint or small family has father, mother and children. A small family has father, mother and children. Shall we pass on to number 6? What's number 6? We go to a park to study or play. Number 6. Where we go? Why we go to park? To study or play? To play. P-L-A-Y, play. Number 7. When we are sick, our parents or friends look after us. When we are not feeling well, who take care of us? Our parents or our friends? Our parents. And then number 8, we cook food in the kitchen or washroom. Where shall we cook food? We cook food in the kitchen. And then number 9, a lion lives in a hole or den. Where the lion lives? The lion lives in a den. Number 10, a frog or fish can live both on land and in water. A fish or frog, which one can live both on land and in water? A frog can live both on land and in water. Shall we do the next one? Now we are going to do match the following. Number 1, bedroom. Number 2, lobster. Number 3, sheep. Number 4, sorry. Number 5, mother's father. And this side you have the answer. A magic word. B, gives us wool. And C, lives in water. And D, grandfather. And E, to rest and sleep. Number 1, bedroom. Bedroom, we can take rest and we can sleep. That is number 1. And then lobster, it's a animal that lives in water. Number 2. And then number 3, sheep. Sheep gives us wool. And then sorry, it's a magic word. And then number 5, mother's father is our grandfather. Now we completed. It's easy for you. Now we are going to do Roman letter 4. Write yes or no. You have to write the spelling Y-E-S-S. Okay, children. Number 1, a house keeps us safe from the sun and the wind. A house protects us from wind and the sun. Yes. So you have to write Y-E-S-S. And then number 2, we enter our house through the roof. Through the roof we enter our house? No. Through the door only we enter. So it is no. N-O, no. N-O, no. And then number 3, a house should not have windows. A house should not have windows? No. All the houses are having windows. So that's also no. And then number 4, we must keep our house clean. Yes, we should keep our house clean always. Y-E-S-S. Now, next we are going to see yes or no only. Number 1, a nurse wears a uniform to work. A nurse wears a uniform to work. Is it true or false? Is it yes or no? Yes, a nurse wears a uniform to work. Number 1, the same yes or no. A nurse wears a uniform to work. Yes, she wears a uniform to work. White color dress she wears, no? Yes. And then number 2, we must drink clean water. Yes, we should drink clean water. And we should not save water. No, we should save water for our future. And then number 4, father and mother are called parents. Yes, father and mother are called parents. And then number 5, a bee lives in a coop. Is it correct? No, a bee lives in a hive. So you have to write no. You all understand this? Shall we pass on to the next one? Now we are going to do Roman letter 5, complete their names. Here they have given some clues and here you have to write the answers. Shall we do this? Number 1, we see our face in this. Where shall we see our face? Mirror. M-I-R-R-O-R. Mirror. And then number 2, we sleep on this. Where shall we sleep? We sleep on the bed. B-E-D. Bed. And then number 3, we keep our clothes in this. Where shall we keep our clothes? We keep our clothes in the cupboard. C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D. Cupboard. And then number 4, we use this to check the time. What shall we use to check the time? We use clock. C-L-O-C-K. Clock. Shall we pass on to the next one? You all understand this? Now we are going to do Roman letter 6. Fill in the blanks. Choose words from the tortoise. Here you have a tortoise and there you have some options. Now we are going to find the answer from the body of the tortoise. Number 1, a monkey lives in a. Where does the monkey live? The monkey lives in a tree. T-R-E-E, tree. The answer is here, no? Yes, you have to look at it and write. And then number 2, a dash lives in a den. Which animal lives in a den? Lion. What's the spelling for lion? L-I-O-N, lion. And then number 3, we keep hens in a. Where shall we keep hens? We keep hens in a coop. Very good. C-O-O-P, coop. And then number 4, turtles live in water. What's the spelling for water? W-A-T-E-R, water. You all understand this? Shall we do the next one? This is also the same. Here you have options in the apple. That from there you have to choose the answer and write. Number 1, we must dash our mouth after we eat anything. Anything we eat, what shall we do? We have to rinse. What's the spelling for rinse? R-I-N-S-E. Spelling is here, no? Yes. R-I-N-S-E. Rinse. We should rinse our mouth. And then number 2, we wear dash in summer. We wear cotton clothes in summer. C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton. And then number 3, we must keep our nails clean. We should keep our nails always clean. We should cut it properly. Every week you should cut your nails. Okay, children? Number 4, a very large family is called a joint family. J-O-I-N-T, joint family. A dash is where we keep horses. The last one, stable. Very good. S-T-A-B-L-E, stable. You all understand this? Shall we pass on to the next one? Now, that's an easy one. You all like this. Roman letter 7. Draw happy or unhappy. Number 1. If I don't help Grandpa find his pen. Grandpa is, if your grandpa missed his pen, you didn't help him to search the pen. How he feels? He feels happy or unhappy? He feels unhappy. So you have to draw unhappy face. I help Mummy to fold the clothes. Mummy is, if you help your mummy in her work, how she feels? She feels happy. Draw a happy face. I help my little sister put on her socks. My sister is, if you help your sister to put on her socks, how she feels? She feels happy. I did not keep my shoes in place. Papa is, if you didn't keep your things in the proper place, how your mommy daddy feels? They feel happy? No, they feel unhappy. Unhappy face. Now you understand this, children? Shall we pass on to the next one? Now we are going to do the Roman letter 8. Fill in the blanks. Choose words from the box. Here you have some options. C-O-W, cow, L-I-O-N, lion, H-O-R-S-E, horse, B-E-E-B, K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo, C-R-A-B, crab. Here you have the options. Now we are going to do the fill in the blanks. Number 1, I live on land. I am a kangaroo. I live on land. I am a kangaroo. Number 2, I live in water. I am a, which animal live in water? Crab. Very good. C-R-A-B, crab. And then number 3, I live in a den. I am a, which animal live in a den? Lion. What's the spelling for lion? L-I-O-N, lion. I am kept in a stable. I am a horse. Very good. Which animal lives in a stable? Horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. I am kept in a shed. I am a cow. C-O-W, cow. Number 6, I live in a hive. I am a bee. Very good. B-E-E-B. The options are there in the box. From that box, from the options are here, no? Yes, from this option you have to select and write the answers. You all understand this, children? I hope you all understand this. You have to learn the revision nicely for exam. We will meet in the next session. Thank you, children.